What's up, guys? How's everybody doing out there on this wonderful Wednesday? Welcome to What's Up Wednesday. Oh, this is Pandora. I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back. This is going to be quick. I'm going to call it hit it and quit it. All right. So typically what I've been doing is what I like to call What's Up Wednesday, where I just bring midweek any new quick announcements or news that you can use, all right, in reference to any projects that I've got going on. So I just got just a few. So we're going to make it brief. All right. Now, if you have not checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. Go to this link, this website, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check it out. See what I got going on. Also, look in the description for other opportunities that I may be promoting as well. All right, guys. So, let's get into it. All right. So, first update is from Smart Desktop AI. Here is the update. Update on physical checks and payments. Checks are on the way to USA affiliates who submitted their information by last Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. You should receive those by this Friday. If you have not submitted your USA mailing info, you can still do that, and then your check will go out as soon as we process your information. All right, so if you missed doing this on Friday, you can do it now, guys. It's not too late for the folks that are verified for US. All right. Also, on Friday, we will be posting a form for those in the WISE supported countries to submit their WISE account information. So, that's for the international affiliates. All right. So they're going to do that on Friday. On Monday, we will begin sending out WISE payments, and we'll post an additional form for non-WISE countries. All right, because my understanding, there are some countries that don't accept WISE, so they're going to put a form in here on Monday for those folks. All right, now Friday we will also be posting some information regarding using the AI platform going forward. Awesome. So presuming all this goes well, from what I can see, it looks like after they wrap this up, they're trying to go forward far as getting back on track where we are in reference to launching the AI platform. For what I can gather here, it says here. So that will be great. I look forward to this thing launching, and we're trying to use the platform. All right. So great. That's Smart Desktop AI update. All right. Let's see what else we got here. I want to touch bases on Legacy Builder Program. Let's head over there. All right. The Legacy Builder Program, you know, that's one of my digital marketing, affiliate marketing programs, instant pay programs where you can earn $100, $300, $600, or $900 instant commissions, and you learn how to market online, guys. You get training here from A to Z. So they have a new update here. And actually, I missed something, and I want to bring that up. They have before I get to this other update, there is an upgrade special going on. I totally missed that one. If you are at a level in one of the programs here and you want to upgrade, they've got a special. Okay, because normally when you want to upgrade, you have to, when you go from one program to the next, you pay the full amount of that next program, right? So for an example, let's say you were here at the Daily Pay Blueprint. That's $300, right? And you decide, well, you know what? I want to go ahead and upgrade to the next program where I can earn $600 commissions. The norm is you would have to pay for the $600 program, which is $600 plus $29, right? But they've got this special right now. Looks like it's already been going for some days now. It's a 2-week special. We've missed a few days, but it's not too late. If you want to upgrade, they've got a special where you just pay the difference plus the $29. Okay, the $29 is for the website, of course, because you're going to get a new website. So that's great. So any of my folks out there that if you're not at one of the higher programs you want to be at, now is an opportunity, guys, to upgrade with this special. Pay the difference plus $29 for your website. Okay, that's great. All right, awesome. Now, what else do they have? Another update from them is, so just reach out to me if that's you and you've already joined me, and I will walk you through how to do that upgrade, by the way, with Legacy Builder. Okay, the other update is they've added another payment option. You know, with Legacy Builder, the automated system is set up to receive PayPal payments and Stripe payments. But now they've added, it's an option, either or. It's not Stripe, PayPal, and Square. It's if you want to take Stripe out and replace it with Square. Okay, so they've added that option here. Here is the video. So for those of you in the program, make sure you go in the community and you will see a video from Michelle from the tech side, not Michelle the owner, but the Michelle with 2 L's. She's created a video that walks you through how to set up your Square account and link it, you know, to system.io. Okay, so make sure you do that. So that's another option, because some people may not like Stripe or whatever the reason is. So now you can connect Square, okay, in there, and she walks you through how to do so. All right, so that's great. Options are always good, right? All right, now let's see something else I want to point out. Not gonna keep you guys here long. I had some folks reach out about PACA, formerly 8-Bit Farm, right? Yeah, there's still some staggering stakes that haven't showed up. Mine is still one of those. I had 4 stakes before they migrated from 8-bit to PACA, and I still have one pending, so it's still not here yet. But I looked in the Telegram group. Let me see here, and it looks like some other folks are missing some. Let me bring this down. Hang on a sec. Let's see. So I just typed in here missing stakes, and it says a missing stake still being worked on. This was as of Tuesday, and there's a note saying, yeah, this is okay. I don't know if that's the answer to that, but if we click here, missing some stakes being worked on. So it looks like I'm not the only one. There's still stakes missing from when they migrated. So yeah, I'm still missing one. I know I had a couple people reach out and say, hey, did you get the stake? Not yet. And other than that, this thing is just doing its thing, right? It's just passively accumulating rewards. And I have made 2 withdrawals when it was 8-bit from the platform without any issues. But other than that, yeah. So I'm missing that one. And let's look at the video here. Let me show y'all. I actually did a video right here. Okay, so y'all can see right here, this thing is acting very strange sometimes. That's the thing, technical. This video was about 13 days ago. See, I had 4 stakes, 80, 25, 25, and 29. And here I've got 80, 25, and 25. So I'm missing the $29 stake. Okay, so it just didn't come over. So per the Telegram, it looks like they still have some that still hadn't transitioned over, and I completed the form, and we're still waiting on that. But other than that, platform, I haven't withdrawn or did anything in this new one, because this just happened, what, a week ago? But before that, no issues, okay? But with the transition, there were some people that it looks like theirs didn't come over as well. So that's it with PACA. So that's the update I wanted to bring. Someone asked me, a couple people asked, so I'm answering that. All right, and we have a webinar tonight. I'm not sure if you're going to see this before, but let's go over here. And real quick, Icoin Pro is having their overview presentation tonight at 9 p.m. On their channel. If you're actually a enrollee or you're an actual member already, you can log into your dashboard and you can join this opportunity overview with them live. Okay, so Icoin Pro is a way that you can earn crypto as well. It's not a crypto platform, but they teach you how to trade on your own, as well as their education, crypto education platform. And they also have a component in which, if you don't want to trade, you can share the opportunity with others and earn commissions / crypto. Okay, so another way to earn crypto, guys. All right, so that's it. That's all. Just wanted to update you on those. As I stated, hit it and quit it. All right, let's see. Is there anything else real quick, real briefly? Hang on. I believe that's it. Real quick updates. We will be back as usual. There is something new, but I'll talk about it tomorrow that I want to let you guys know about. But that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.